Crayola Inspiration Art Case. Tie-dye your imagination, 140-piece kids art kit that's totally lit. Unleash a kaleidoscope of creativity with the Crayola Inspiration Art Case Coloring Set, Tie-Dye Edition. Packed with 140 premium art supplies, this vibrant kit is your child's ticket to hours of imaginative fun. From bold markers to soft-colored pencils and vibrant crayons, every piece is designed for smooth, stunning color that brings their wildest ideas to life. And that funky tie-dye art case? A portable masterpiece in itself. What makes this art set shine? It's a one-stop creative powerhouse. No more scrambling for lost crayons or mismatched markers. The trays and compartments keep everything neat and accessible, so your child can focus on making magic. Whether they're doodling at home, crafting at a friend's, or conquering art class, this portable studio is always ready to roll. Plus, it's Amazon exclusive, you won't find this bad boy anywhere else. Say goodbye to the humdrum of ordinary art kits. This set delivers vibrant, fade-resistant colors that pop off the page. From the 40 washable markers to the 20 precision pencils and 64 iconic crayons, every tool offers pro-level quality in a kid-friendly format. It even includes 15 large sheets of premium paper, perfect for those jaw-dropping masterpieces. Crayola's safe, non-toxic formula ensures worry-free fun for kids aged 5 and up. Why is it worth the splurge? This compact, durable case isn't just cool, it's built to last. Lightweight and easy to carry, it doubles as an on-the-go art studio, saving you time, space, and sanity. No more messy drawers or lost supplies. Whether it's for school, holidays, or birthdays, this kit is the ultimate value-packed gift that sparks endless creativity. It's not just a purchase, it's an investment in your child's imagination. Ready to level up your gift game? The Crayola Inspiration Art Case is the ultimate crowd pleaser, perfect for budding artists and craft-loving kids. Watch as they dive into the whimsical world of tie-dye creativity, building skills, confidence, and unforgettable memories. With this kit in their hands, they'll be saying, "Mom, I got this." It's more than an art set, it's their new creative BFF. Don't wait, grab it before it's gone.